Welcome to Anjuman Islam Public School and Junior College, Panchgani, a branch of mother organization, Anjuman Islam, which is one of the largest educational organizations in India. Established in 1920, Anjuman is a premium boarding school located in Panchgani Hill Station of Western Ghats. The 174 acres of serene campus is a home to a variety of flora and fauna. Waking up at 5:30, followed by a physical training session and breakfast, the students line up for the morning assembly. Every student learns to be independent and responsible in the boarding school. Local students are provided with the bus facilities. Students from all over India and the Middle East come to study here at Anjuman Panchgani. Daily morning assembly and inter-house stage activities such as elocution, storytelling, debate, drama and current affairs. Students are introduced to positive role model and examples that encourage them to adopt values and virtues in their daily lives. Our school integrates digital classroom to enhance the academic delivery through interactive digital content, making learning more engaging and effective. Through the state-of-the-art science laboratories dedicated for physics and chemistry, young minds are encouraged to think independently. Well-equipped computer lab facilitates 21st century AI and IT skills. In the dedicated art room, students learn to express their thoughts and emotions meaningfully. We believe that learning goes beyond the classroom walls. Nature is our teacher and the earth our classroom. Our students take the practical lessons in astronomy through the sky-gazing activity at night. A well-ventilated primary section provides a bright and cheerful learning environment. Children also enjoy outdoor playtime in our safe and colorful play park, making learning enjoyable. The boarders get nutritious and wholesome meals, supporting their healthy growth and development. The school nurse provides medical care 24/7, while the school counselor looks after the emotional well-being. Our school actively nurtures sports talent through a wide range of activities that build skill, discipline, and teamwork, while both girls and boys receive a specialized training in horse riding, self-defense, rifle shooting, archery, and vaulting horse sharpens their focus and agility. The annual athletic meet showcases students' potential in various athletic events. Special attention is given to the games like cricket. Anjuman is known to have given the best cricket players to the country. Our well-equipped gym supports fitness and overall well-being. Anjumanites take part in volleyball, football, and basketball to foster sports spirit. Anjuman Islam Public School and Junior College, Panchgani. Admissions open.